Introducing the 238P powered soil pipe cutter from Rigid. A powerful tool with a compact, lightweight design that provides easy access to pipes overhead, below grade, or anywhere else. The 238P can be used with either a 1/2-inch impact driver or a manual ratchet. It weighs in at an easy-to-handle 13.5 pounds and is just 11.5 inches long, perfect for accessing and cutting pipe in tight areas. A removable handle and low-profile cutter wheels add even more flexibility. And like every Rigid tool, the 238P is tough and durable with a patent-pending torque limiter to help prevent overloading and a full lifetime warranty from Rigid. To cut a prepared pipe, begin by turning the adjusting knob of the pipe cutter counterclockwise until it's fully open. Place it on the pipe in the desired cutting point and wrap the chain around the pipe. Place the nearest chain pin into the hooks. Make sure the cutter wheels are square to the pipe at the desired location. Turn the adjusting knob clockwise to firmly tighten the chain around the pipe. The 238P operates in forward and reverse, allowing the operator to score the pipe for a much cleaner cut. If operating with a manual ratchet, the ratchet should lock firmly into the square drive. An adjustable wrench can also be used, but not a pipe wrench. If using an impact driver, insert the square drive into the end of the feed screw. Assume a stable stance and holding the equipment firmly, tighten the feed screw until the pipe is cut. The Rigid 238P powered soil pipe cutter offers easy access and quick, efficient cutting to help you get the job done fast. To request a demo or learn more, visit rigid.com/238P or call 800-769-7743.
This video will show you how to use the Rigid Power Spin Plus Drain Cleaner. The Power Spin Plus allows you to power through clogs in your drain lines quickly and smoothly, simply by pulling the auto feed trigger and turning the drum manually or with a battery-powered drill. It is ideal for use in tubs, sinks, and showers with drain lines up to 1.5 inch in diameter. It is not recommended for use on toilets due to the risk of damaging the porcelain. The Power Spin Plus features a positively retained cable in the drum to prevent cable pullout, a comfortable reinforced hand grip, a lightweight polyethylene drum that will not dent or rust, and a 25-foot, tough, kink-resistant cable specially designed for drill operation. When using the Power Spin Plus with a battery-powered drill, remove the crank from the back of the drum by pressing the tabs on either side and attach the chuck of the drill to the drum shaft. Set the drill to low speed. Position yourself comfortably and securely to maintain your balance and keep firm control of the drain cleaner and battery-powered drill. Now you're ready to operate the drill. Position the drain cleaner within 4 inches of the drain opening and maintain that distance throughout the process to help prevent twisting and kinking of the cable. With the drill set for a low-speed clockwise spin, squeeze the drain cleaner and drill triggers to turn the drum clockwise and advance the cable through the drain. Continue until you encounter resistance. Then carefully work the cable through the blockage. To do this, it may be necessary to spin the cable without advancing it by releasing the auto feed trigger and engaging the drill. Or you may have to advance the cable very slowly to break up the blockage. Once the blockage is cleared, turn the water on to flush any debris down the drain. Then set the drill for counterclockwise spin and squeeze the drain cleaner and drill triggers to retract the cable. Now you are done. Like every tool from the brand with a nearly 100-year history of quality craftsmanship, the Rigid Power Spin Plus Drain Cleaner is tough and durable and comes with a full lifetime warranty. The Rigid Power Spin Plus Drain Cleaner.
In cramped corners, you need a compact tool that can pack a punch. The Helmore Compact Swage tool has the power to swage 2 1/8 inch tubing, as well as the precision to knock out a 1/4 inch swage without cracking or splitting. To begin, cut the tube length and deburr the inside of the tube end. Choose the correct size expander head for the tube you are swaging, 3/8 inch in this case, and screw onto the body of the tool. Slide the tube onto the expander head, flush with the back of the insert. Then slowly pump the handle until resistance is felt. This usually takes 15 to 20 pumps. If you have the urge to put a second hand on the tool and tightly squeeze, your swage is most likely complete. To finish the job, release the expander head from the swage tube by pushing down the green release button on the back of the tool. The process is the same for any diameter tubing, except 1/4 inch and 2 1/8 inch. When using the 1/4 inch expander head, expand the head partially, then collapse by depressing the green release button. Rotate and then expand until the desired swage is made. When using the 2 1/8 inch expander head, be sure that the tubing is soft or that hard tubing is annealed before swaging.